Sato Zal Sifra Adir Bamarom Dafnum Tesam now. Zel Shono is what he says, Sham. That which talk about the entity from which everything emanates. Latzil means like Eitzel means next to, it means something which comes from. So your elbow is called your atzil because your arm comes from your elbow. So we talk about we talk about Hashem, things emanate from Hashem, but we don't talk about the source of the emanation. We speak about what emanates from Hashem. We only speak about Hashem's activities, and not about his essence, his essence meaning his definition, and his essence, cloud at all. V'teda. And you should know, Shafilu Masha'orim Askirim So B'Shem Ein Sof Baruch Hu. Even that which call him Ein Sof. Ein HaKavana Atzmus Cloud. We're not talking about his essence at all. Ela Pulosa, rather his activities. By the way, Ein Sof is also not precise, right? Because what does Ein Sof mean? Ein Sof means endless. But something which is endless has a beginning. So therefore, it really should be, it has no Ein Tchila of Ein Sof. Right? There's no beginning nor end.